All right, what we have here, the IVUE RINCON action camera glasses. See what the box says, see what information it gives you here on the box. Resolution is 1080p, 30 frames per second, 720p, 60 frames per second. 8 megapixel camera for photos. Video and photo is H.2.64, MP4, or JPEG. Up to 128 gigs of storage. I got a 64 gig SD card with mine. You got to pay for the storage. Like mine was $199 with the 64 gig card. It didn't offer a 128. You must have to buy that separately from somewhere else. The battery is 480 milliamp hours. Says about 1.5 hours of recording time. I know from experience with this, I've already tested it, that it will record for over 2 hours on a full charge. The lenses that it comes with tinted lenses already in them. There's an extra set of yellow lenses in the package. The lenses are 2.2 millimeters thick. They're all impact resistant, and these ones are polarized. It is Android and iOS compatible. They are Wi-Fi. They'll hook up to your phone via Wi-Fi, and there's apps for both Android and iOS devices, so you can control the phone through your camera. So let's get them out of the box. See what we got. In the box, you get, naturally, the glasses. So, the glasses, like I said, they were $199 with a 64 gig card. They have a tiltable lens, which we'll go over all of this a little bit later, and everything you need for the glasses is, right here, power, whatnot. So let's go over what they come with. You get a hard case. It's actually a pretty good stout hard case. Has one of those nifty little belt loop deals on it. In the hard case is a spare lens holder. You can hold up to 4 lenses. In the spare lens holder are your yellow lenses. Get 2 of those, naturally. The spare lens holder velcros right into place, so it's not going anywhere. You get a soft bag. Inside that soft bag is a charging cord. Nice and long, it's about a 3-footer. You get the old grandpa style stretchy thing that goes over the earpieces so they don't fall off your face. And an SD card adapter, so the 2 USB adapters so you can plug it into your PC. And a cleaning cloth. Let's see here. Good presentation. Oh, there we go. All right. Get all of that out of the way. So, like I said, I got spare lenses with mine. The glasses, $199 with the 64 gig SD card. Each set of extra lenses is $10, $9.99 for 2 lenses. I got clear lenses, 2 sets. There's 1, and there's 2 more in this protective case. I don't want to open those. To change the lenses, this is exactly how they tell you to change them in the book. So what I'm going to do is exactly how you would do them. You take from the inside, you press, you kind of lift. Lens comes out, same deal on this side, lens comes out. To put the other lenses in, you start on the small side, all right? Well, you have to put the right lens in the right way. So you start on the small side there, you get the bottom and start this side first, get this bottom in, then the top. You'll hear it pop into place, listen. That's in. Next one, same deal. Get the far side started, get the bottom in, and then the top, and now listen, popped into place. Now you're in. All right, for the tiltable camera tilts. It tilts, hold on, I know the degrees, I wrote it down. All right, the camera lens tilts 10 degrees down and 12 degrees up. When you get it, it's kind of in a central position like this. So when you read about tilting the camera, they want you to go to their website and watch a video to show you how to do it. And I did do that after I already monkeyed with these. So they want you to assist the camera tilting to the down position with this finger. Pinch it here and here, and as you're pulling on this tab, see that tab right there? They want you to push with your finger also. So that is the all the way down position. And then all the way down, it has like a detent that holds it. You probably heard it click. You can actually do it with just one finger, but they want you to do it that way for, you know, whatever reason. But listen, all the way down, it clicks into place. All the way up to almost all the way down, it's infinite. It doesn't have any detents, but when you go to the all the way down, it has a detent. So that's all the way up, that's all the way down. See what I'm getting at there? The nose piece is adjustable. It is rubber coated, like I don't want to call it spring steel, it's like a memory steel. So whatever way you bend it, it'll stay. I'm not going to mess with it because I already have it fit to my nostrils. And let's see what else. Oh, I also bought, we'll go over the SD card and all this shit right here, right now. So the SD card, you can see it goes right there. It's just like a standard put in, put out SD. It clicks right in and out of place. Take it out. When you get it, it's not in there. Put the SD card in, clicks into place, you're good to go. When you get these, they are not fully charged. It says in the instructions to charge them for 4 to 6 hours. I charged them for 6, so they are ready to rock. Your buttons. Closest button to the eyepiece is your power button. The next button is your Wi-Fi button. When you lift this up, there is a third button in here. It is in between the power button detent and the SD card. It is not accessible with a finger, or you have to use a paper clip. It is the reset button. Here is your charging port, or when you plug in, you can plug into here and plug into your PC and do everything that the app would do through a PC. And let's go with what I got here. I bought the extra power pack with it. So this power pack is 5,200 milliamp hours. I don't know what that converts into, how many more hours of charging it'll give it, but when you start running low, you can stick this thing in your pocket and, you know, plug into your glasses and away you go. So what it comes with is the directions, which you don't really need the directions because you plug it in, turn it on and off. It comes with a cord. It's a really short cord. It's less than a foot. I say 10 inches, so it doesn't do you any good for charging on the go. It has a built-in flashlight. Press and hold the button for, I don't know, 3 seconds. Flashlight comes on. 3 seconds, it shuts off, and as long as you're not plugged in, it will shut off automatically. Blue indicator lights show battery, you know, state of charge. That's about that for that. It is shock resistant, water resistant, and dirt resistant. It does say that. Which I just noticed the case is peeling off of it. Oh, that is a slip-on case. Okay, that's pretty nifty. So you can take that off and clean everything. I didn't realize that. All right, so we learned something. Excellent. All right. The SD card is what comes separate because you can get multiple SD cards. With the SD card they send, the SD card was right here, but naturally it's not anymore because they're in the glasses. It comes with one of those SD adapters that you can plug directly into your computer without a USB. And I think that, like bigger camcorders, I think this fits in a bigger camcorder too. I can't remember, but there's that. So what we will do next is I will shut the lights out in the garage here so you can see the indicator lights on these glasses. They will be right here. We will go over that as soon as I get these lights shut out. Don't go anywhere. All right, so you have indicator lights, and these also have vibration alerts. So to turn it on, you press your power button, which is the closest button to the eyepiece. You press it one time. Your lights will flash blue and green, or green and blue first. It will vibrate 2 times, then they will start flashing. As soon as you turn them on, they immediately go into record. And they'll record in whatever resolution you have it set to, 1080 or 720. To stop recording, Press one time. They vibrate once and they go to a solid blue. So say you want to go from 720 or 1080 to 720, the Wi-Fi button right here, hold it. Vibrates 2 times, the light turns green. That means it's green flashing right now, so you're recording in 720. Go to standby mode, press once, it's in standby mode, vibrates once also. So let's go back to 1080. Press and hold, you're in 1080, vibrates twice, you're recording in 1080 right now. Go to standby mode, press once. Okay, say you want to take a picture while you're recording. Let's go to record. So we're flashing, vibrated twice, we're flashing. You want to take a picture. You press the power button twice quickly. 1, 2. It does that with the light. It vibrates 1 time. Then it vibrates 2 times quickly. That means the picture's taken and it goes directly back to recording. So let's go to standby mode. So you're in standby mode, you're not recording, you're just walking around, you don't want to record, you want to take a picture, same thing, in standby mode, hit it twice, it does that, it goes like a lighter blue, takes the picture, but it only vibrates once and then it goes right back to standby mode. So you're done for the day, you get back home and you want to download everything, you want to hook up to Wi-Fi. You press the Wi-Fi button 1 time. It vibrates once and these orange lights will start blinking. Then for some reason, I did read this, as soon as you hit Wi-Fi it immediately goes to record. So you just put it back in standby mode. When the lights are blinking like this, that means it's searching for the device to hook up to for Wi-Fi. So you'll go into your phone, go into your Wi-Fi settings, find these. They have in the Wi-Fi settings it just says IVUE. So you tap on IVUE and it gives you a default password, which is 12345678. That's a default password. Type that in. These will stay solid orange when it's hooked up to Wi-Fi. When they're hooked up to Wi-Fi, you can get in the app and do whatever you want. Download pictures, redo all of your resolution settings, your audio settings. You can completely control everything right from the app. So that's about it for all of this. And there was something else I wanted to say. What was it? Oh, charging. So when you're charging, the blinky orange lights, when you're charging, they're red. When it's fully charged, they go out. No lights are on at all. When the glasses are shut off, no lights are on at all. If you're recording in 1080, let me shut Wi-Fi off here. Now Wi-Fi's off. If you're recording in 1080 and your battery starts going low, they will go from this slow flash to an extremely fast flash. And the same for 720. It'll go from a slow flash in green to an extremely fast flash in green. When your memory card is getting full, I have that wrote down, let me find it. Memory card full. Blue-green will flash. It'll flash blue and green when the memory card's full. And that's about it for how these things work. Let's shut them off. When you shut them off, you hold the button for 2 to 3 seconds. It does that, it vibrates for 5 seconds and goes out. So these, they seem like they're extremely well made. This is a nice soft rubber cushion right here. It's bendable, you can move it around, you can actually form it to your head. They seem very well made. They're coated, they're a really thick plastic. The camera is encased in a nice thick plastic. This lens, I did a little bit of research, it doesn't tell you in the instruction anywhere, but this lens is supposed to be like the same glass that you find on your iPhone. I can't remember the name of it, but it's scratch resistant to everyday items, keys, things like that. I'm not going to try scratching it because I don't trust anything anybody says. So yeah, other than that, like I said, I have tested these. I've done several videos with them. The video quality and audio quality is excellent. The only thing I don't like, and this is in everybody else's videos, while you're wearing them, you can hear whoever's wearing them, you can hear them breathing. Now, you know, it is what it is. That's, you know, their ups and downs with this shit. But after I post this, I don't know when I'll get to it. I'm gonna do a daytime, a nighttime, and an in the shop video with these, and I'll post that to show you guys how it all turns out. So, well, like as always, guys, I appreciate you watching, appreciate the support, and we will see you on the next go around.